Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking for how to work on text, that how we can change text color, font style, text highlight color and change cases like lowercase, uppercase and so on. Basically, we are focusing on the font group of Home tab. This font group. This is under Home tab. I have written just some sample of text. Suppose I want to change the font. Firstly, I have to just select the text. After that, click on this font option. If you see, there are many font available. If I just move my mouse, then you can see the background, my text changes automatically. Suppose I am going to select this option, that is Arial Black. My font changes to Arial Black. Now suppose I want to change the style to the bold. Firstly, I need to select the text. After that, I have to click on this B option, that is bold option from the font group. Now see, my font changes to bold. Similarly, if I want to change the font style to italic, firstly I have to select the text. After that, click on this I option, or you can click Ctrl I, that is the shortcut key of italic. Ctrl B shortcut key is for bold. If you keep your cursor on this I option, then you can see there is a pop-up menu which shows that the Ctrl plus I is shortcut key for italic. Now I'm going to press Ctrl I from my keyboard. Now you can see my font style changes to italic. Suppose I want to change the style to underline. Firstly, select the text. After that, click on this U option, that is underline. Now see, if I want to change the font color, firstly, I need to select the text. There is one more benefit. If you have a mouse, just select the text and you do not have to go to tab every time. Just select the text, and if you see, there is a toolbar, that is floating toolbar. This floating toolbar. Now from this toolbar, suppose I'm going to select the font color, this A option, A. Now just click here and you can choose any color that you want to give to your font. Suppose I'm going to select this blue color. Now you can see my text is now in blue color. If you want to increase the size of the font, how you can do that? Firstly, you have to select the text. After that, you can click here on this capital A option. Now suppose I'm going to click. Now you can see my font size increases. If I will click on this option, decrease font size small a, then it will decrease my font. We can also change the size of the font from this option. This dialog box, I can select any size, that is 22, 24, 26 according to requirement. Also, we can use shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than angle. Suppose I am going to press Ctrl, Shift and greater than angle from my keyboard, my text keep changing. We have one more shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus curly bracket. If I will click Ctrl plus curly bracket sign, then again my text increases. After that, we have text highlight color. For this, I have to select the text first, then select this option. In the font group, you can see there is a option highlight text color. click on this drop down option and you will get a dialog box having colors. Suppose I am going to select this color. This is my highlight color. I can select another color, that is I am going to select this yellow color. So in this way I can give the highlight color for my text. Suppose I want to clear the format. First of all, I am just going to increase the size of my text. Suppose it's a 22, I am going to bold it and I want to change the color. Now I want to clear the format. So I have to just select the text and click on this option, clear all formatting. Then it will clear all the formatting and decrease the size of the font, that is the default size 11, and you can see it also change the font style, that is Calibri. Next is change case. Change case is very important in Microsoft Word. How we can change the case, that is lower case, upper case, toggle case. Now suppose firstly select the text. After that we can choose any option from the change case dialog box. Just click on this option, capital A and small a, change case. From this dialog box, suppose I am going to select the uppercase option. Now you can see my entire text is in uppercase now. Now suppose I want to change in lowercase. Now you can see the entire text is in lowercase. Sentence case. This is my capitalize each word. Now see the last one, toggle case. This is very interesting. In toggle case, first alphabet of each word will become small and the other alphabet will become capital. Now let's see how. Now you can see first alphabet of each word is in small and others are in capital cases. So in this way we can change the case of our sentences. We have very interesting features in font family, that is strike through, subscript, superscript and text effects. Now let's see one by one. Suppose I want to cut a word. Now I want to cut this word. This is not the correct word. So I can use this strike through option. Now you can see there is a line in between the text. Next is subscript and superscript. Suppose I want to write a formula, that is H2O for water. I want this 2 should be in the subscript of H. So I have to just select this 2 option. Now click on this subscript option. Now you can see 2 is in the subscription of H. Now suppose I want to write a formula, that is x square. I want 2 in the superscript, that is raised to power x. First of all select this 2 and click on this option, subscript option. Now you can see 2 is in the power of x. Last but not the least, text effect. Suppose I have written some text on my screen. I'm just going to increase the font size. Now I want to implement text effects. I have to just click on this drop down option. Now you can see there are lots of effects available. I can select either this option or I can select this option. Also, we can change text effects like If we want shadow of the text, reflection of the text, glow text, suppose I'm going to select this option. So in this way you can change the effect of your text. You can implement strike through option, subscript, superscript option. That's it for this video.